guys, it's Erica. This is a very unexpected video to be making because I got a package in the mail that I was not expecting, and it turns out my sister got me an early Christmas present like over a month early. So I was not expecting this and I'm very excited to see what it is. She said that it's a plant, and she's not really like a plant person, so I'm very nervous. I'm very nervous to see what plant she got me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. I really have no idea what it is and I'm really nervous. Imagine someone who is not a plant person buying you a plant from online. Oh my gosh, my heart is pounding. Okay, so far this is what it's looking like. I still have no idea what it is. I don't know why this is so nerve-wracking. Oh my gosh. So I got the top part undone and the bottom part's undone. I'm really freaking out right now. Let's see what it is. Oh, I feel a plant. Okay, I'm not looking. Oh my gosh! Is this a Monstera Thai constellation? You guys! I was not expecting this at all! Oh my god! Oh my god. I'm gonna start crying. Oh my god. Oh my god. I really need to pot this up. Okay. So I just need to kind of like sit here and just kind of you guys! Okay, let me give you a little look at these leaves. This one has a fenestration already. Oh my gosh. And then it has one coming out. I need to pot this up like right now. Okay, I'm gonna actually, you know what, I'm gonna check the roots before I get too excited. Oh my gosh, she's freaking crazy. She's crazy. I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh. Okay, please be safe, little roots. I'm literally about to, oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this freaking stem. Oh my gosh, this is too much. Oh well, I just dropped everything everywhere, and I think that I'm gonna let this root in water a little bit, and I just spilled moss everywhere, so that's something happening. Okay, so looking at the roots, I'm a little nervous because this one is bad. I need to cut it off. But I'm scared to cut it off. But this one is good. So I'm gonna put this in a thing of water. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kick out my watermelon peperomia from their vase. Is that bad? No, we're gonna do it. We're gonna kick them out. It's the perfect vase. I need to show you. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, on second thought, this vase might be too small, but yep, these are my watermelon peperomia. They're just in here, but we're gonna move them to here right now. So okay, I need to cut off this root, but I'm very nervous too because I don't know, like, is this not the perfect little vase for this? Is this not the most beautiful plant you've ever seen in your entire life? I'm gonna cut off the root right now. I know this is not what you came for, but like, we're here, might as well film it. So I'm gonna get my shears, I'm gonna disinfect them, and then I'm gonna be right back. I have my little shears here. I'm in the process of disinfecting. I feel like shook right now. I'm feeling really like crazy and nervous. Okay, we're gonna disinfect these really quickly. So as you saw, well, I can keep showing you, this one root is rotten. This one root is rotten and it needs to be cut off. And normally for like any other plant that I'm rooting, I would be like 100% fine just cutting off like a rotted root like that. But for this plant, it's making me very nervous. I'm really scared to cut it off, but it has to be done, right? It has to be done. Okay. The scissors are still drying. The shears are drying. It has one good root though, so it shouldn't be too scary to cut it off, right? Okay. And there's also like this little root right here coming out, like that little healthy one. So it should be fine. Okay, they're disinfected. We're going in. We're just gonna pull this one off because, oh no, the little sheath came off. So I'm gonna cut this off. And I'm also gonna cut off below that little baby root right there. Goodbye, root. Oh, should I cut it off? I should. It's rotten. It's rotten. I have to cut it off. I have to cut it off. Okay. Oh, that really hurt me. That hurt me in my heart. Okay, so these are the roots now. Now they're very healthy, and we're gonna say goodbye to this little dead fellow. And I'm actually gonna clean out this container because this plant deserves a very clean and healthy container. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I know it was a really short one and I'm kind of really panicky in it, but oh my gosh, look at this plant, you guys. This is like, oh my gosh. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want, and I will see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, bye.